The TV is awesome. Picture quality is great. Sound is awesome. Only issue is with TV remote pairing with TV. When I try to use Google Assistant on the remote, it is asking for pairing. When I try to pair the TV, it's not pairing. The only message I see, press OK and home button simultaneously, and I want OnePlus or Amazon to resolve this issue. TV is awesome. Delivered on time and installed on same day. My review is subjective. I had 49 inches x 7000E LED 4K Ultra HD HDR Smart TV. All I can say is OnePlus TV is better than that. Remote looks awesome, buttons doesn't feel good, lot of false positive, have to look at remote most of the time while pressing keys, should be fine when I get used to it, but should not have been the case, and durability I have my doubts due to Netfi. It's been more than a month now. I am still in the hangover of OnePlus TV. I love the picture quality and sound, it's amazing. Finally got today, it's just incredible. Fully featured smart TV which is priced at almost 69,000 rupees for Q1. I also seen other companies selling their QLED TVs at 1 rupee, 25,000 minus 1, 50,000. This is ultimately the best in budget QLED TV. Feeling very grateful for the product and expecting for the value for money product. Sound quality is crisp, clear and loud. Picture quality is amazing, little bit problem in upscale 720p videos. Inbuilt apps are working fine, waiting for Netflix update. Pathetic delivery from Amazon. Item is delivered by local courier guys in torn packaging. When I asked him for open box inspection, he refuses to do so. Worst packaging ever received from Amazon. One word. WAAAW. Just when delivered and out of the box, it was just taking me out of the world. It's an amazing creation. Just left stunned. All are positives. No words to explain. Nothing negative I can see. Ooh, OnePlus, hats off to your research and development team. I am looking forward to see the futuristic products that will stun the world, and it's not far away. Keep inventing and make us stunned. All the best! Exclamation mark. Writing this review after using 15 days. Asterisk, everyone will fall in love with picture quality. Asterisk, build quality is awesome compare with other TV with same price segment. Asterisk, remote is very small and worrying part was we don't have mute option. Asterisk, overall very good buy at this price. One of the best TV in the market at this price. Picture and sound quality is best. SD channels don't give good viewing experience. Only issue is with TV installation team, one of the worst service provider. Beautiful display and great sound is equal to phenomenal movie experience. This is probably the best one can buy at this price point. QLED technology brings the right balance in terms of picture quality. OnePlus optimization is good with clean interface. OnePlus Connect app let you use your phone as a remote, which is perfect. Oxygen Play has tons of content to watch, however, you may need subscription to various platforms. I recommend this TV to all the potential buyers. Worth every penny. You will be very much satisfied with the TV. I love the TV performance. Build quality, picture and sound quality, everything awesome about it. Great picture quality, vivid colors. Good product. OnePlus team, congrats. For those of you who are complaining on the upscaling, suggest you reduce soap opera effect by turning off ultra smooth motion, which makes the movie look like behind the scenes. Please add mute, swipe left and right on the OnePlus Connect to forward, backward videos. It's more convenient that way. Picture quality superb, sound is amazing, value for money. This review is just my opinion in layman eyes. Pros: 1. Display is next level at this price. Need to watch HDR videos to experience the awesome display. 2. Very user-friendly remote app. They have tried and taken mobile remote to next level. Very easy to type. 3. Sound is very good and I don't think you need to go for Pro version unless and until you have that budget and you want that fancy sliding speaker. Speakers are loud and clear. Dolby Atmos vision and sound works really well. Even in full volume, no much distortion. 4. Very bright and vivid display. 5. Beautiful thin and bezels are small. 6. Official Android means almost all necessary apps available. In fact, I felt that DTH is not required anymore. 7. Looks MEMC was able to deliver smooth videos for most contents. It works. Cons: 1. When watching normal contents from DTH SD and HD, needed some effort to adjust picture modes to watch comfortably. It took me time to adjust to watch comfortable. But you can maintain 2 picture modes with different setting and change when required. This is because high brightness is utilized to produce vivid sharp image for 4K contents, but for normal videos display will turn too bright and you need to reduce backlight and brightness. I think this is something that OnePlus need to address in next updates. 2. Need to buy a flexible wall mount, otherwise port will not be accessible. Flexible mount costs close to 3K. 3. I found it difficult to link this TV to Alexa. I am still trying. But I am not worried much about this and can't be a deal breaker. This review is from a week's usage. I will update any further observation after a month's use. Click link in description for more reviews.